Planning a trip to a place where you don't know the language and feeling like you're about to embark on an adventure full of misunderstandings? Meet your new travel companion, Copilot. I'm Willis. In today's Copilot Tip of the Week, we'll show you how Copilot can help you navigate language barriers while traveling. Translate menus. When you're at a restaurant and can't read the menu, simply open the Copilot app, take a picture of the menu, and let the app translate it for you. This way, you can order your meal without any guesswork. Public transportation. Whether it's a bus schedule, train timetable, or metro map, the Copilot app can translate these for you. Just take a picture, and you'll have all the information you need to get around. Shop with confidence. When shopping, you might come across product labels or price tags in a foreign language. Use the Copilot app to translate these, ensuring you know exactly what you're buying and how much it costs. Communicate with locals. If you need to ask for directions or have a conversation with a local, the Copilot app can help. You can type or speak your question into the app, and it will translate it into the local language, making communication much easier. With the Copilot app, language barriers are no longer a hurdle. Enjoy your travels and explore new places with confidence. Happy traveling.